OnePlus 13 is a newly launched flagship phone with impressive features. It has a fast refresh rate 2K display, the world's fastest mobile processor, a 50-megapixel triple camera setup, a huge battery, and more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and my first impressions of the OnePlus 13. Hey everyone, Maiky from Maiky here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the OnePlus 13 box in red. On the top, you can see the phone's branding, and at the bottom, there's Hasselblad brand. The sides of the box also have branding, with OnePlus's tagline, "Never Settle," printed on it. Now, let's put the phone aside for a moment. Inside the box, we have a 100-watt SuperVOOC power adapter with a Type-A output and a red Type-C to Type-A data cable. You'll also get a protective case. Next, let's talk about the design and build of the OnePlus 13. The phone comes in 3 color options, and we have 2 of them: Obsidian and Blue. The Obsidian color is a matte black finish with wood-like textures, but it's actually made of ebony grain glass. OnePlus previously offered a wooden back cover on one of their phones, but this time the black color has a stylish design with a nice texture feel on the back. The blue color option uses a new baby skin-friendly velvet material. Compared to ordinary leather, velvet leather feels more delicate and has a soft, skin-friendly feel. The glass back version of the phone weighs around 215 grams and has a thickness of 8.7 millimeters. On the other hand, the leather version weighs 212 grams and is 8.9 millimeters thick. The phone's camera module is quite bumpy, making the overall thickness 12 millimeters with the module. It's placed on the left side, and the lenses are arranged vertically. During daily use, your index finger naturally rests near the corner of the module, giving a good grip. Even when holding the phone horizontally for gaming, the grip feels comfortable. This time, there's also a horizontal line next to the camera module. Even though it's a flagship phone, it isn't too heavy, and it still has a huge 6,000 mAh battery. It supports 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging. Now, looking at the front of the OnePlus 13, for the first time, OnePlus has used micro-curved edges on all 4 sides. This gives you the benefits of both a flat and curved screen. The display is protected by crystal glass, which is more drop-resistant. Speaking of the screen, it's a second-generation 2K display. This is the world's first display to receive an A+ certification from DisplayMate. The screen also supports full-brightness DC-like dimming. It features the world's first solar display technology, providing better color reproduction in bright outdoor light. The screen includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that even works with wet fingers. Talking about performance, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship processor, built on TSMC's second-generation 3nm process. This chipset uses an all-new Orion architecture. It has 2 super large cores at 4.32 GHz, 6 large cores at 3.53 GHz, and 2 12-megabyte L2 caches. The phone includes 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring outstanding performance. Additionally, it features an independent esports display engine, allowing you to play heavy games like Genshin Impact at 120 FPS with 900p resolution. When playing Genshin Impact at 120 FPS for 30 minutes on the highest settings, the average frame rate reaches 100.8 FPS, with power consumption going up to 5.05 watts. The battery consumes 11%, showing that even in heavy games, the performance is excellent. Now, talking about the camera, the OnePlus 13 has a rear-facing triple camera setup. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel wide sensor with a 1.4-inch sensor size. The secondary camera is a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera that supports 3x optical zoom. The third camera is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which also supports macro shooting. You can check out sample photos taken with this camera. As for the price of the OnePlus 13, the base variant starts at 499 CNY in China, 487 GBP in the UK, and 628 USD in the USA. So, what do you guys think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.